Happy New Year! We are gonna kick this new year off. Kick 2019 right in the face. And we're gonna go do a polar plunge. Something I've always wanted to do. And East Tennessee has a polar plunge going on today. It's at noon. I'm excited. 2019 is gonna be so good. I got so many plans. 2018 was great. Gotta keep working on myself, getting myself better, getting everybody around me better. We're starting this thing off with a polar plunge. Tessa! You ready to go jump in the water? Yeah? She's not jumping. I don't think kids can. Well, kids could do it probably. You ready to go? We gonna go swim?
Yeah, just swimming.
Are we gonna swim like Baby Shark?
Yeah.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. You guys don't know what that song is, y'all should look it up. Everyone's got blankets and jackets and towels and everything to keep themselves warm after we jump in, because we really don't know what to expect. So we got Kenzie's jumping in. You excited?
No, I'm gonna get like pneumonia.
We got Mark's jumping in. This is his sport probably. He's gonna love it. We got Eric. Even Eric is gonna jump into the water.
You're bananas.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. He's not jumping in the water. That'd be a little hard. He's heavy. Tom, you gonna jump in the water?
Shit, no, I ain't jumping in the water.
Josh is dumb enough to jump in the water.
Yep.
Oh, we got Babs. Babs is jumping in the water. She's jumping in for sure because I'm making her. You jumping in, Tanner?
Tanner, you want to go into water?
Probably not a good idea, huh? It'd be too cold for you too.
Say yeah.
Sachi and Ellie are not jumping in the water. Sachi's from Miami. He doesn't do cold water. Have a safe flight. See ya. See ya, Ellie. Good seeing you. We gotta come down to Miami and see ya. I've never been there, so I need to go there. And we need to go from here. She's not jumping either because she's weenie. Mother-in-law, she's not jumping either. She's weenie. She's on the weenie side. So we got 50-50 weenies. 50-50 weenies, 50-50 polar bears. We might be stupid. We don't know. This is the first one. We're gonna try it out and see how it does. Tay's jumping. I know that. Huh.
That's Mom.
Who's ready to jump in water?
Me.
Will they get mad at me? All at once, Chase. Oh, Mickey.
How's that going?
You know you're not supposed to eat that many rolls, so they keep sick chemicals
I
in
need
your...
a towel.
Got it.
What's wrong?
Just kick her out the door.
Spit him in the air. Is your breath okay? We have arrived at the Polar Plunge. We are Mr. and Mrs. Pikachu. Can't miss us. So this whole thing is benefiting 9 lakes and a couple of other river and lake things in Tennessee. So all the money goes back to that. It's a great thing to help keep the lakes clean. So not only is it a fun event, but it's going back to a good cause. Who's jumping? Are you jumping? Oh yeah, we're going in. Are you going in? Right, are you going in? No, you're not going in. What are you laughing at, Sherry? Sherry squared. Sherry squared. They're jumping too. We got a lot of people jumping. A lot of people are going in. I'm excited.
Even this boy's going in.
Oh
yeah. These are
Hey, you was out in California laughing at these hillbillies, and y'all getting ready to jump that water.
So let's see what we got. We got a Snoopy thing. We got a penguin, another penguin. Honey, that's what you're gonna look like in a few minutes.
Second one was the Pikachu, the 2 Pikachu.
Ready, everyone?
don't know how the audio is on this. GoPros, after you get them wet, are the audio is a little distorted, but that was amazing. That was so much fun. And like I said, that's what 2019 is about. It's purpose and intention for me. We're just gonna have fun in 2019. I don't wanna, no more negativity. I just want positivity. I just wanna have a good time. And this was one way to kick it off.
That was freezing.
That was so good. Thanks to Sherry for finding this event for us.
What is awesome?
This was amazing.
My feet was
Good.
Okay, we're back shooting off firework. We're trying the GoPro again. This is Hanky Taco Tucker. Follow him. What's your thing? I don't know. Look him up. Look him up. He's up there somewhere. So, Old Hero 3. We launched it last night. It did great, but the video was kind of just chaos. Like, you can't really tell. I want to see if we can kind of see what the height is, how high these go, and then we're gonna try to fly the drones up too when we launch one of the other ones. All right, GoPro 3. Because obviously it has the thrust out of the tube to throw it up, and then when it blows, it blows. We'll just see what happens. Recording, red lights on.
Are you dumb?
You know, Lloyd, just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber.
We did this last night, and it survived.
It didn't work though. It went sideways, didn't it?
No, it worked just fine. You just couldn't tell where it went. Here we go. Ready?
He wants to like this.
Oh, there goes the GoPro. Oh, it's on the roof. Taylor, just move the ladder.
It's that big dent in the roof.
Took off. Just.
Where's that his newer one? Okay.
Oh dear God. A little scratched up.
Stopped recording. SD card came out. Wi-Fi turned on. So it's a little banged up.
You should probably go on the road.
Wait, we're on the news apparently.
God, I hope that thing sinks.
Come on, you want to go for a ride with me?
Nope. All right, Gilligan. That's Jeffrey's house. And this is their. What is it? A pond or a lake?
Pond.
What determines a lake or a pond?
Over 6 acres?
I don't know about this thing. See what it looks like.